Hey folks, in this video I'm gonna present before you something that will definitely going to make your life much more easier and beautiful. Believe me, watch this short video till the end to get it hacked. What you are seeing right now is one of my rooms where pure white tiles had been fixed 20 years before. It is too common in this time span to get the tile grout eroded in between the tiles, making it look pretty ugly like this. Using a regular brush or surface cleaner liquids, it may not help to restore it entirely. You could have also seen ants roaming around on the tiles, and I'm pretty sure they might have already made colonies underneath. So my task here is to restore the entire thing by myself, and these are the tools I'm gonna use. A container of water, a plastic spatula-like thing, and the main one is Asian Paints Tile Restoration Grout named as EzyCR8 in white color. This one is available in two colors, white and gray, and I have definitely chosen white one because I'm gonna work with white tiles. It can be used even outside, it is water resistant, it is ready mixed and can be applied by our bare hands. This product has got a country of origin as Spain, but it is still cheaper in India. Even the MRP shows 325 bucks. I got it through Amazon online for 250 rupees. On the tube written all the simple precautions to take and easy directions to use the grout. One thing to remember is this grout is not meant to fix the tile on the surface but to restore the gap between them. To be honest, I am showing you a used tube so you can find some grout sticking out here and there, and I'm really sorry for that. Remember, before using it, gently massage the tube for some time to get the mix ready. In order to use it, squeeze the content in between the tiles or cracks. Spread it with a spatula or your finger. After 30 minutes, wipe away the extra grout using a damp cloth. That's it, all done. Since there is no heavy or toxic metals in this mix, it is really safe to work with it using your bare hands. So after massaging for a while to get it properly mixed, just open the cover and cut the tip of the nozzle and squeeze to start using it. If you are not done with a single use, you can place a plastic sheet over the nozzle hole and screw back the cap like this. This will help us to get the mix in right proportions for continuous use. I am providing you in my description box below a link to buy this product. One tube like this is enough and more for a 5 square meter surface. Now this is the finished work and I'm happy to get a lot of applause for it. Hope you can also give it a try. Thanks for watching.